Okay, yeah, we're here with one of our customers that we just did a roof replacement for, Miss Sade, and she was really highly pleased on how the roof turned out and everything. We just got finished doing our premium craftsman's check, and so she decided to do a testimonial for us. And so I'm going to be asking her about 3 to 4 different questions. And the first one that we're going to ask you, Miss Sade, is how did you hear about us?
Oh, we heard about you. I came on my husband said to research, he Googled the company up, and he called the company to KangaRoof to come check the ceiling.
Okay, great. And what was the actual problem that you were trying to solve, and how did we solve it for you with the service that we provided for you?
Okay, our roof was getting old. I mean, it was already old, but I came home one day, and after I think the wind was blowing the shingles down, so I saw it everywhere, and I was like, oh my goodness, our roof needs to be replaced. So we
got in contact with us.
We had to get in contact with the roofing company.
Okay, great. And Ms. Sade, what did you appreciate most about, I guess, the service that we provided for you, as far as replacing your roof? Because I think we also did your gutters, and we put new gutter guards on for you. So, what did you mostly appreciate about our service that we did for you?
It was just the efficiency, because when we contacted the company, someone came immediately, and it was very professional. They answered all the questions, and they kind of like gave me the confidence that we were going to be well taken care of.
Okay, great. Good to hear. And the last question that I had for you is, would you recommend our service to others? And if you would, what would be the reason why you would recommend our services?
Okay, I would, yes, I would definitely recommend the services. And why would I do that? I would do it because, like I said earlier, it was very professional. And from every stage, Mr. Morris got in contact with us. He told us what was coming next. And when the technicians came over to fix it, they were very professional. They told me they were here. And then when they were leaving, they contacted me and told me that I should that they were leaving. They didn't just drive off. So it's like it's a company that it's they're pretty well rounded in professionalism, I would say. So that's why I would recommend. And most of the job was well done, because I noticed a big difference. And I looked at my neighbors, and I find that I'm really satisfied with the outcome of the job. I am really satisfied. I hope I'm really satisfied. That's why I would call back, because Mr. Morris just showed us a video of the finishing, and I'm really satisfied. And he answered all the questions that I seem to have. So he's also very knowledgeable about what he does.
Okay, great. Good to hear, Ms. Sade. I really appreciate you doing this testimonial for us, and your time and interest are greatly appreciated. Okay, thank you, and over now.